Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You need to start now. Open your project folder in Vscode and confirm files are saved, because unsaved changes break quick tests. Install the language extension for syntax, linting, and debugging support. This ensures the console understands your runtime. Once done, open the integrated terminal with Ctrl+ or View then Terminal. Now choose the correct shell from the drop-down, PowerShell, Bash, or CMD, so commands run as expected. This sets the environment for the next steps. You will configure execution, open the Run and Debug view, and add a launch. JSON if none exists, because that maps the debugger to your program. In the configuration, set the program path, any arguments, and choose Integrated Terminal if you want output inside Vscode or External Terminal if you need a separate window. Once configured, press F5 to debug or use Run without debugging. Make sure to save launch. JSON. This prevents mismatches between the debugger and the console during execution. Finish by verifying the working directory and environment variables. Incorrect paths cause file not found errors. If the integrated terminal shows no output, try switching the console type in launch. JSON to external terminal or restart Vscode to clear state. Make sure breakpoints and source maps align with compiled code when debugging. Key troubleshooting tip. If commands fail, run them manually in the terminal to see raw errors. Then enable verbose or debug logging to trace the problem and quickly identify.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.